Dad teaches Gattu Chinky. Gattu Chinky's quarterly exams were about to start after 3 weeks, and both of them were roaming behind Mummy in the kitchen.
Mummy, when will your work be over? We have to study. You are the one who always help us study for exams. Please teach us quickly. Yes, Mummy. You still have so much to teach us. So much syllabus is left. This time we are very scared of exams, Mummy. Oh, 4 kids. See how much work I still have to do in the kitchen. You both do one thing. Go to your papa. Right now he is free in the living room and will teach you both.
Gattu Chinky calmed down after hearing about studying from Papa. But in the living room, Papa had heard about teaching Gattu Chinky.
Chinky, let us quietly go inside our rooms before Papa comes. Yes, Gattu. Otherwise, Papa will come in Sharma sir's mode. Remember? Sharma sir is the strictest teacher in the school. Papa is even more strict in teaching us, Chinky. Let's go. Otherwise, we will definitely get caught today.
But as soon as Gattu Chinky turned to go to their room, Papa comes from behind. What happened, Gattu Chinky? Where are you both going? I heard that you both have to study for the exams.
Actually, Papa, why do you worry? Right now, Chinky and I will go to play. Then when Mummy gets free, then she can teach us. Yes, Papa. You should enjoy your leave, na? Why are you taking stress? You get only one leave in a week, right? What? No, kids. I have a lot of work. And what is the problem for both of you in studying from Papa? Go and get your bags.
Yes, both of you quickly get your bags and come to the living room. Today we will study together, kids. Then Gattu Chinky have to accept defeat. And both of them bring their bags from their rooms and sit in the living room. Then tell me, Gattu Chinky, which is your first exam?
Papa, that is science.
Okay, then quickly take out the science book. I will ask you some questions first and then explain the concepts which you guys do not know. Okay?
Okay, Papa. Take the science book.
Okay then. First of all, you both sit straight and your focus should only be on the book in front. Okay?
Yes, Papa. Understood.
Yes. The name of the first chapter is plants and their importance. Tell me, Gattu, what do we get from plants?
We get, Papa, from plants we get carbon dioxide from plants.
On hearing Gattu's answer, Papa angrily says to him while scolding, "What? Gattu, this was such an easy question. You got confused even in this? Plants do not give us CO2, but oxygen."
Oh, yes, Papa. Sorry, I got confused.
Okay, come on. Now I will explain this chapter to both of you. After that, I will ask you questions. But listen carefully. If both of you don't listen to me carefully, then you will not be able to answer the questions.
Okay, Papa. We will listen carefully and understand.
Then Papa starts explaining the chapter to Gattu and Chinky. But suddenly, Gattu's attention goes to the kitchen. As soon as Gattu's attention is diverted, Papa asks both of them a question. Yes, Gattu, tell me the answer to this. But Gattu's attention was somewhere else, and he's unable to listen to Papa. Gattu, where is your attention?
What? Papa, what were you asking?
I have asked you a question. Answer it for me, and that too quickly.
Papa, I need to go to the washroom right now. Now when you are just scolding Gattu, can I go to the washroom till then?
Oh. Okay. Go and come back quickly, Chinky. And after that, don't even move from here. Chinky comes back from the washroom quickly. Then Papa angrily tells both of them, "Now none of you two will go anywhere until I explain this chapter to both of you properly. Not at all till then. Both of you understood?"
Yes, Papa, yes.
Yes. So plants do photosynthesis. And what all do they need for doing it?
Light?
Yes, and what else? Do they need only light? Or do they need anything else?
Oxygen?
Hey, we get oxygen from plants. They do not need any oxygen. Come on now, tell me. I had just told you both. And both of you forgot so soon? Gattu Chinky are unable to say anything further due to fear and become quiet. Seeing this, Papa gets even angrier. I am explaining this for the last time. Listen carefully. Plants need CO2, sunlight, chlorophyll, and water for photosynthesis. Then Gattu Chinky start listening to Papa carefully. Both of them try to remember things because they did not want to be scolded. Then Mummy comes over there and says,
It's quite late. Should I bring snacks for all of you? Take a little break and then study further.
No. Let them study first. Bring snacks after that. Otherwise, they will get distracted again. If they are in focus, then they should be left maintaining that only.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Okay then, I'm going.
Hearing this, Mummy leaves from there. And Papa again starts teaching Gattu Chinky. After explaining for a long time, Gattu Chinky understand that chapter well. And they give correct answers to all the questions asked by Papa.
Thank you, Papa. Now whatever question comes from this chapter, I will solve it easily. And me too.
Welcome, children. Then hearing their talk, Mummy also comes over there and says,
Wow, it seems you guys have finished your studies. Yes, Mummy, and we understood all the concepts well. Yes, we felt a little scared, but it's okay.
Well, Chinky, if you guys have understood everything so well, then why don't I teach you tomorrow too? Gattu Chinky gets scared after hearing Papa's words.
What? No, Papa. You don't take tension. Mummy's here. Mummy will teach us. Yes, Papa. And tomorrow you will have office too. You don't worry. We will manage somehow.
Hearing such things from Gattu Chinky, Mummy and Papa start laughing. Seeing them laughing, Gattu Chinky also start laughing. And then everyone has breakfast together. You've got a parcel from Puntoon Kids.
Oh, it's here. Kids, why don't you go and open it? It is for you. Wow, Mummy, there are so many products in it. What is fishing fun, Mummy? I will give you one letter and you have to pick that letter with the help of the fishing rod. Wow! So we will learn letters while fishing. And see this, it is called fishing fingers. It will help you improve your eye-hand coordination. Hold this lace and try to put beads in it one by one. Mummy, it is a very cool gift. It has so many products. We are having a lot of fun with it. What box is this? It is Puntoon Kids Learning Box, which we are presenting for the kids of nursery, junior KG and senior KG. If you also want to order this box, then click on the link provided in the description, or you can send a WhatsApp message or call on the number given below. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.